world? We're on our way to the beach. I woke up at 4:45. It's 5:47. It's very dark. It's brightening up now.
More like daylight, kinda. The coldest weekend of the summer.
6:04. Here we go.
All right, we were up at 4:30 a.m. this morning to get out here to Huntington Beach right when they opened. Gonna grab a fire pit, and we're having our annual beach day. Usually have it mid to late August. It's gonna be in the 80s today, so hot enough to go swimming, but cool enough to sit in the sand. Shine went ahead to secure a fire pit for us. We got all the cargo. Let's see what she got. Here we go. All right, first one's here. Did you pick a good fire pit?
I hope so.
You're a good fire pit picker.
We'll see.
Well done. We're here. You have your coffee and your Pop-Tart and your cookies.
It was the cookies for me.
We have zone 1, the fire pit zone here, which later tonight will be crowded. We're gonna make hot dogs, bacon wrap hot dogs, shish kebabs. This will be our food prep station. And then we got the beach cabana all set up. This is our setup, which I think we could charge. We could charge very wealthy people, and we'll come here in the morning, set all this up, and then they just pull in, sit down, boom, little side hustle right there. This annual beach day all started one year when Cheyenne wanted to have s'mores. And I said, well, I don't know how we're gonna make s'mores in the kitchen of our apartment. She said, oh no, we have to go to the beach to make s'mores. And I had never gotten a fire pit, so I had no idea that you have to get here this early. But now this is our annual beach day, so our family and friends will join us. And yeah, here we go. It's still a little bit cloudy, but Shy likes it that way. It's only gonna get up to 80, so we may not be in the water, but we'll definitely be having some drinks and sitting around the fire. Sat down with my lemonade in my chair. It's raining.
It's sprinkling. It might not get too hard, but what are the odds?
Can't believe it. What a surprise.
The rain.
The rain.
The rain.
We didn't even know you were going to come, and now you came and brought the rain. Thank you so much. Her first time coming to this beach day, and we didn't know she was going to be here, and now she shows up, and it's raining.
It's like before 9, isn't it?
This is extremely early for her, because she's a night owl, aka
It's pouring. The old man is snoring.
I would still be in bed. No offense. Jesus. This is bullshit.
It is. Look at how much rain there is for no reason. Not forecasted, that's for sure.
Okay, let's the beach. But at least we have something to warm
Got
us.
a cigar and a coffee.
Not
I'm
too
okay.
Ooh, I like that I can see the fire in your glasses.
It's already settling down. It's going away.
Shy.
Finally taking her down so she can go for a swim. Are you gonna swim?
No,
Why?
I get my knees wet.
Now that it's done raining and hot, we can go to the water.
Well, we are going to the water.
Here we go. All those people. Busy, busy. Nice and cold.
Yes, it is cold.
Ain't that cold? Come on. Top Gun Maverick style.
Whoa, whoa. What did we just see?
Like 3 rescues right in a row. A floaty, kids in a riptide, and someone else we don't even know. Multiple units responding, running, multiple trucks on scene, boat on scene. Dangerous day at the beach, Saturdays.
Apparently. But the lifeguards are doing the job.
And we went camping. He started the fire with like a flint and steel thing.
That's insane.
Right? That's what I think.
It was a pain in the ass. But it was fun. Is that your fire starting dance?
Look at us. We're doing it. Cheyenne, get in the pit. You're good. Go in there. Yeah.
I can't believe your dad's done all of it with one stick.
I know. Well, look at that stick too.
It's dying.
Man, if that meat doesn't snap by the end of the night, and he's eating while he's doing it. He's living better than that. Nice swag.
Thanks.
Well, you did it. You did it. Another beach day. How's it feel?
Crazy? Because you did most of the work, so thank you. I appreciate that. But we did it, and it rained, and it was hot, and there were riptides that the lifeguards had to save a bunch of people from, but it was eventful.
And now you're ready for
Smarts! Sorry.
time for barbecue, shish kebabs, veggies, bacon wrapped hot dogs, potato salad, all the good stuff. Sunset, Huntington Beach, beautiful. And then pretty soon it'll be time for the main event, s'mores. Love ourselves some s'mores. We had a good time, saw several lifeguard rescues, got out in the water, Friends, family, drinks, food, you can't beat it. SoCal life, baby, at its finest. Beach Day 2025. Setting sun.
Ah, that's where it comes from. It all makes sense. Yep, yep. It all makes sense now.
There she goes. Down for the night. People still getting their last couple of games of football in. Fire pits are being lit. Lifeguards are almost off duty. Gone. Nighttime bikini. Oh, lovey. Oh my God.
Yeah.
We are gonna burn this shit to the ground.
Be one of us. That log might catch fire.
No.
And then I have a boot, like a boot that I can strap on.
Does
And
that
a
help
shoe.
much?
Oh, it helps a lot.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Right. Yeah, it's very similar. Very similar. Yeah. So it's pretty exciting. We'll see.
They are trophy, but they didn't. Because in India, like, they're like, oh, you know what, it's back over here.
Are you not in the embers? It's like nice because everyone's like frontlit from the fire. So I can like see everyone. From the fire. I can like see everyone.
Come on. Wow.
Flying backwards.
You're pretty good with that, huh?
I don't know. It's hard now that you're filming it.
15 hours later, and we're down to one last piece of wood. Cheyenne, do the honors. And the beach day will burn away.
Oh gosh.
And my knees, too. That's our B camera operator. Goes wherever we go. Always filming, filming, filming. The life of YouTube. It never ends. Check out that fresh merch. Taylor's 4th of July shirt. Whoa.